Hey everybody, welcome to the Microsoft AI Advent Calendar, the Winter Party Exploration Series. I'm Wesley Camargo, and today it's the day number 20 of our exploration series. So let's check this out, what we are gonna learn today. So, ta-da! Today we're gonna learn how we can deploy our AI models to a web app. So before in other videos, you saw how we can uh, prepare our own models using our own data, make it more customizable for our company, for our clients. But everything there is still working on the OpenAI portal. So we have here how we can import the data. I'm not covering this on this video, but here we have the playground. But as a playground, we don't use this in production, right? So Azure OpenAI has a option that you can deploy this to a web app and make this web application. So it's much more simpler to share this with your final users, so they don't need to open the portal, maybe mess up with your models and see stuff that they have no idea what's that about. So you can deploy this in a much more clean application. So let's check this out, how we can do that. So here, I'm not using custom data, I just want to show the process to deploy. But I have created but I have given some context to the model that the assistant that we're gonna use. So basically, it is a Christmas chat assistant helping people with questions about Christmas. Very simple. So the model is already deployed. It's using GPT 35 Turbo 16K. And then here, to deploy to this web app, we just need to click in deploy to. Let's check the new web app. We can create new or we can use existing one. I have already deployed one, but let's try a fresh one just to see the parameters. So we can call it web app Christmas assistant. Then here I can choose my subscription, my resource group, the location that I want to deploy. Let's choose UK South. And then here you can choose the layer of your web app. You have two options. You can keep the history. If you keep, then you also need to deploy a Cosmos DB. It will charge you, so if you wish, might be useful, but be conscious that you need to pay for that. In our case, I don't want that. And then I need to agree that it will also charge me because of the deployment of my web app. So I can just click in deploy, and we just need to wait. Here we have a message saying that it might take a few minutes to deploy the model and be available. But I have already deployed one, so let's check this one. Here it's just a common web app, nothing special. We can click on browse, and here it is. It's very simple, but it doesn't have many other distractions, let's say, to your final user. So he just needs to deal with exactly what he needs. So here, let's ask a question. So, for example, how does Santa gets to the people's home on Christmas Eve. Oh, I forgot a question mark, but it understood. So Santa Claus has a magical slate pulled by a reindeer that allows him to travel around the world on Christmas Eve. He navigates the slave with the help of his trusted GPS and his extensive knowledge of the world's rooftops. So you can see he answered very precisely. Not sure if with truth information, but he answered the question based on the scope that we selected before. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching and see you on the next videos.